Don't worry about those who talk bad about you behind your back. The Almighty is all-knowing and all-seeing. He heard them. He will protect you and grant you blessings. You can't stop people from talking, but you can control how you respond to them. Stay above the fray. When you're doing well and making good progress, others will try to plant seeds of doubt and negativity all round. Bear patience. Don't worry. The Almighty's in full control. No one can touch you when He's with you. Keep your focus on the task ahead. Don't be distracted. Always be kind. Motivate, empower, encourage and spread goodness. Do your best always. If your actions are not reciprocated, that's okay. Keep going. It will all bear fruit one day. And if you find yourself not able to do any of that, the least you can do is to not hurt others. If you've left the Almighty out of your equation for some time because of your repeated sins, it's time to seek Him out again today. Don't waste any more time. Get back on track. He's waiting to forgive you. He will heal you and make you whole again. Just one sincere repentance. Don't be complacent about the good deeds you do. There's no such thing as auto-acceptance from the Almighty. In this age of social media where everything is up for the world to see, it gets even more difficult. Are you doing it for Him or for the likes and accolades from people? Some love to gossip because they say the truth has become very boring. It doesn't sell, earn likes or followers. They'd rather harm others by spreading juicy false tales than speak the boring, unwanted, unpopular truth. Be wary of such people. More importantly, don't become one. Do you want a good day? Well, start with the Almighty and end with the Almighty. Everything in between gets that much easier. Remember to do your best always. Purify your intentions, and whenever you find something is too much to handle, hand it over to the Lord of the worlds. Don't dwell on how privileged you are and how good your life is. It's how you end the journey that matters. Strive to live a life that endears you to your Creator. Everything else is secondary. Keep asking for a good end. Remember, nothing is guaranteed in life. Not even tomorrow. As humans, we will get frustrated from time to time. When that happens, when our emotions begin to drive us, take a step back from the situation and let the Almighty take over. Pray that He grants us wisdom each time. Don't feel like you have to do it alone. He's only a call away.